Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Motivation Insight. Here's a story which I would like to present through this video, which has a wonderful lesson at the end of it. So do watch this video till the end. Before we begin with the story, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please consider subscribing and click the bell icon for future updates. Well, let's begin. The story is titled The Chef's Daughter. Once there was a girl who was complaining to her dad that her life was so hard and that she didn't know how she would get through all of her struggles. She was tired and she felt like as soon as one problem was solved, another would arise. So, being a chef, the girl's father took her into his kitchen. He boiled 3 pots of water that were equal in size. He placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in another, and ground coffee beans in the final pot. He let the pot sit and boil for a while, not saying anything to his daughter. He turned the burners off after 20 minutes and removed the potatoes from the pot and put them in a bowl. He did the same with the boiled eggs. He then used a ladle to scoop out the boiled coffee and poured it in a mug. He asked his daughter, "What do you see?" She responded, "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee." Her father told her to take a closer look and touch the potatoes. After doing so, she noticed that they were soft. Her father then told her to break open an egg. She acknowledged the hard-boiled egg. Finally, he told her to take a sip of the coffee. It was rich and delicious. After asking her father what all of this meant, he explained that each of the 3 food items had just undergone the exact same hardship 20 minutes inside of boiling water. However, each item had a different reaction. The potatoes went into the water as strong, hard item, but after being boiled, it turned soft and weak. The egg was fragile when it entered the water, with a thin outer shell protecting a liquid interior. However, after it was left to boil, the inside of the egg became firm and strong. Finally, the ground coffee beans were different. Upon being exposed to boiling water, they changed the water to create something new altogether. He then asked his daughter, "Which one are you? When you face hardship, do you respond by becoming soft and weak? Or do you build strength? Or do you change the situation?" Here's the lesson that we learn through this story, and that is, life is full of ups and downs, wins and losses, and big shifts in momentum, and hardship is just a big part of this experience. And while many of us would rather not face hardship, it doesn't have to always be a negative thing. In fact, handling hardship can be a positive experience that can lead to personal development. You choose how you respond to hardship, whether you let it break you down or you stand in the face of it and learn from it. In many instances, facing hardship gives you a chance to learn important lessons that can help you grow as a person. When facing hardship, it's important to recognize your freedom to choose how you respond. You can respond in a way that ultimately limits you, or you can choose to have a more productive response that could potentially open windows of opportunity that we didn't know even existed. I hope you all like this video. If so, then don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. But most importantly, don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching.